Welcome to Math Makes Sense. Today, we are not going to learn about the formal process of division with decimals. We are going to learn about the concepts of division with decimals so you can do simple decimal division mentally. To find 12 hundredths divided by 4, it's as easy as catching a frisbee.
Ready? Good job.
To simplify this problem, we're going to relate it to money. If you have 12 cents or 12 pennies, and you have to divide the pennies among 4 people, how many pennies does each person receive? Well, that was easy. Every person receives 3 pennies, which equals 3 cents, which equals 3 hundredths. Let's try another one. 35 hundredths divided by 5. In terms of money, that's 35 pennies divided among 5 people. How many pennies does each person receive? Since 35 divided by 5 equals 7, then every person receives 7 pennies. What is 7 pennies wrote as a decimal? The answer is 0.07, so 35 hundredths divided by 5 equals 7 hundredths. Now, it's your turn to find 42 hundredths divided by 6. Remember to ask, if I have 42 pennies to distribute among 6 people, how many pennies does each person receive? Now, write the answer as a decimal. What is 2 tenths divided by 4? Since 2 tenths is actually equal to 20 cents, which means 20 pennies divided among 4 people. Now, write the solution for 2 tenths divided by 4. Since 20 divided by 4 equals 5, every person receives 5 pennies, which equals 5 cents. Now for 72 hundredths divided by 3. At this point, your thought process should be 72 pennies divided among 3 people. Oh no, I can't do mental math for 72 divided by 3. What am I going to do now? No worries, just write 72 divided by 3 on a piece of scrap paper. Just remember to say to yourself, 72 divided by 3, with the dividend underneath the bar and the divisor out in front. Yes, each person will receive 24 pennies or 24 cents. What is 36 hundredths divided by 12? Yes, 36 divided by 12 equals 3. Therefore, 36 hundredths divided by 12 equals 3 hundredths. What is 82 hundredths divided by 2? Yes, 82 divided by 2 equals 41. Therefore, 82 hundredths divided by 2 equals 41 cents. Now that you have the idea of a decimal divided by a whole number, now let's take a whole number divided by a decimal. I will be honest with you, a whole number divided by a decimal is a lot tougher to physically understand. Therefore, we are going to start with some very easy math problems. What is 8 divided by 4 tenths? Okay, easy enough, 8 divided by 4 equals 2. But how does the decimal fit in for 8 divided by 4 tenths? Well, once again, we are going to refer to money, but this time we have to take $8 and divide it into 40-cent stacks. That is 800 pennies divided into 40 penny stacks. How many stacks can we make? You can write out the division problem by writing it on scrap paper. Once again, remember to say the problem out loud while you write 800 divided by 40. So we have 800 as the dividend and 40 as the divisor. 800 divided by 40 equals 20. So we have 20 stacks. Therefore, 8 divided by 4/10 equals 20. Okay, let's try another. What is 15 divided by 5/10? 15 divided by 5 equals 3, but how does the decimal fit in for that? This means we have to take $15 and divide it into 50-cent stacks. That is 1,500 pennies divided into 50 penny stacks. How many stacks can we make? You can write out the division problem by writing it on scrap paper. Remember to say the problem out loud while you write 1,500 divided by 50. So we have 1,500 as the dividend and 50 as the divisor. 1,500 divided by 50 equals 30. So we have 30 stacks of pennies. Therefore, 15 divided by 5/10 equals 30. Now, if you're really good with this money stuff, we could have said $15 divided into 50-cent stacks. That makes 2 stacks per dollar, which is 30 stacks. I hope you enjoyed your lesson. And remember, if you got 100%, don't forget your Pez. Sorry, Carson, it's lemon.